Airport security can make or break your trip. One wrong move and suddenly your bag's pulled aside, your favorite toiletries get tossed, and you're sprinting to your gate. The truth? Most travelers don't realize there are simple TSA secrets that can save you time, protect your luggage, and keep your trip stress-free. Today, we're breaking down 9 insider tips that seasoned travelers swear by, from packing hacks to checkpoint tricks. By the end, you'll glide through security like a pro, instead of sweating in the slow lane. Secret number 1. Master the liquids rule. The 3-1-1 rule is one of TSA's most misunderstood policies. Each liquid, gel, or aerosol in your carry-on must be in a 3.4-ounce container or smaller, and all containers must fit inside 1 quart-sized clear bag per traveler. If you bring a full-size shampoo or even a half-empty 6-ounce lotion, it'll be tossed. TSA checks container size, not what's inside. Items you might not realize count as liquids. Spreadable foods like peanut butter, hummus, yogurt, or creamy cheese. Yes, they fall under 3-1-1 Solid blocks of cheese? Fine. A jar of peanut butter? Not fine unless it's travel-sized. Even snow globes bigger than a tennis ball usually aren't allowed in carry-ons. Exceptions exist. Medically necessary liquids, baby formula, and breast milk can exceed 3.4 ounces. Just declare them separately and expect extra screening. Traveler hack. Bring an empty water bottle. TSA bans full bottles, but not empties. Fill up post-security and skip the $5 airport water. Number 2. Start with an empty bag. Every day, TSA confiscates thousands of items travelers swear they forgot were in there. Knives, tools, lighters, even loaded guns. In 2024 alone, TSA intercepted over 6,700 firearms at checkpoints, most declared as accidents. The fix is simple. Pack from empty. Always start with a completely cleared out bag and repack intentionally. Double-check every pocket, especially hidden compartments where items like scissors, multi-tools, or lighters tend to hide. If you're unsure about something, use TSA's What Can I Bring tool online or message at Ask TSA on social media. You'll get a quick yes/no instead of a stressful bag search at the scanner. One 5-minute check before leaving home can save you a 20-minute delay at security. Number 3. TSA PreCheck. If you fly more than once or twice a year, TSA PreCheck is worth every penny. For $78, you get access to dedicated lanes where you don't remove shoes, belts, or jackets, and you keep laptops and liquids in your bag. The result? Average PreCheck wait times are under 5 minutes, compared to 20+ in standard lines. The process is straightforward. Apply online, attend a 10-minute background check appointment, and you're set. Bonus: kids 12 and under. Automatically use the PreCheck lane with you, and some teens can too if their boarding pass shows the PreCheck logo. This perk alone spares parents the nightmare of wrestling toddlers out of shoes at the scanner. It's not hype. PreCheck consistently saves time and stress, especially at major airports during peak travel. Number 4. Lock your luggage the right way. Regular padlocks on checked bags? Big mistake. If the TSA needs to inspect your bag, they're authorized to cut them off. That can mean a broken lock, damaged zipper, or an unsecured bag. The solution: use TSA-approved locks. These carry the red diamond logo and can be opened with a master key. If the TSA inspects your luggage, they unlock, relock, and leave a notice inside. Your suitcase stays intact and secure. Also remember, never pack valuables or medications in checked bags. Even the TSA advises keeping those in your carry-on. If your checked bag is opened or misplaced, you won't lose essentials. A $10 TSA-approved lock can literally save your suitcase. Number 5. Pack smart. Messy packing equals guaranteed bag checks. TSA screens carry-ons by X-ray, and a chaotic pile of clothes, electronics, and toiletries looks suspicious. Pack in layers. Think: clothing, then electronics, then more clothing. Use packing cubes or clear pouches to group items. It makes the X-ray clearer and speeds up manual inspections if needed. Avoid cramming your bag to bursting. Dense, cluttered bags often get flagged. Give your stuff breathing room. and put must-remove items like laptops or your liquids bag at the top or in outer pockets for quick access. Tidy packing doesn't just make life easier for you, it actually reduces your odds of extra screening. Number 6. Tidy your tech and wires. Tangled chargers and electronics aren't just annoying, they can raise security flags. A dense clump of wires can resemble something suspicious on an X-ray. Coil your cords and store them in a small pouch. Keep larger devices easily accessible since most need to go in their own bin unless you're in PreCheck. Don't bury your iPad under 3 layers of clothing. Also remember, power banks and spare lithium batteries must go in carry-on. Airlines ban them in checked bags for fire safety. Organize your electronics, and you'll save both time and scrutiny. Number 7. Foods, powders, and gifts. That trigger searches. Ordinary stuff can cause surprising delays. For example, dense foods like cheese blocks or chocolate sometimes appear opaque on X-rays, prompting a hand check. Peanut butter over 3.4 ounces? Considered a liquid. Powders are another trap. Anything over 12 ounces must be removed and separately screened. If you don't pull it out, expect a full bag search. And wrapped gifts? TSA will unwrap them if flagged. Always travel with unwrapped presents or use gift bags. Better yet, wrap at your destination or ship ahead. Save your wrapping job from being ripped apart. Number 8. Dress for security success. What you wear impacts how smoothly you get through. Avoid lace-up boots, heavy jewelry, or metal accessories that trigger alarms. Slip-on shoes are your best friend. Empty your pockets completely. Even tissues or chapstick can trigger the body scanner and lead to a pat-down. TSA officers say pocket forgotten items are one of the most common delays. And check your ID. By 2025, every U.S. flyer will need a real ID-compliant license or passport. Don't risk showing up with outdated ID. Simple wardrobe and document prep can save you from frustrating delays. Number 9. Use TSA's tools and plan ahead. TSA actually gives you tools to make life easier. The My TSA app shows real-time wait times and alerts. If your airport is swamped, you'll know to arrive earlier. The Ask TSA service on Twitter or Facebook lets you message agents directly about odd items. They'll confirm what's allowed before you head out. Finally, double-check documents. Make sure the name on your boarding pass matches your ID exactly. Even middle name mismatches can cause delays. Keep a digital backup of IDs and papers, just in case. Preparation plus these tools turn TSA from a gamble into a routine step of your trip. TSA checkpoints don't have to be stressful. By mastering the 3-1-1 rule, packing from empty, considering PreCheck, locking luggage smartly, organizing your bag and electronics, watching for food/powder triggers, dressing strategically, and using TSA's tools, you'll move faster and safer. With these 9 secrets, you'll protect your luggage, save your time, and keep your trip on track. Next time you fly, you'll be the traveler walking calmly through security, not the one repacking their bag at the checkpoint.